In this video, we are going to introduce some solutions to solve the move to iOS app not working issue. Tip 1. Disable apps that affect Wi-Fi connection. There are some apps like Sprint Connections Optimizer or Smart Network Switch on Android that may affect the Wi-Fi connection. Tip 2. Ensure that the app stays on screen. You should make sure that the move to iOS app on both Android and iOS devices stay on screen during the whole transfer process. Tip 3. Check the network connection. If the move to iOS app says could not communicate with device on the screen, it is likely that you didn't connect Android to the iPhone Wi-Fi. To establish the connection, besides entering the code appear on the Android screen, you will also need to connect Android to the temporary Wi-Fi hotspot created by iPhone. Head to the Wi-Fi settings on your Android phone. Connect the private Wi-Fi created by the iOS device. Enter the Wi-Fi password, which is the same as the Wi-Fi name. Make sure you include the space when typing in. Tip 4. Enable the airplane mode. Turning on the airplane mode on Android is also a good trick to fix move to iOS app not working problem. Tip 5. Update your devices. Every new system update will fix some small bugs and problems. If your device is running an old version, update it to the latest to ensure the move to iOS can work properly. Tip 6. Restart your devices and try again. Restart both your iOS and Android phone can sometimes fix the problems like move from Android not working. Just simply restart your devices and try again. Tip 7. Use its alternative. KuMaster Mobile Transfer is highly recommended when it comes to transferring files between mobile phones. Download and launch KuMaster Mobile Transfer on your Windows or Mac computer, then hit the Mobile Transfer module from the toolbox. Connect both your Android and iPhone to the computer with suitable USB cables, then follow the prompts to get them detected by the program. After the detection, make sure that your phones are under the right positions. If not, click Flip to make a change. Select the file type you want to move from Android to iPhone, then click the Start Copy button to start the transfer.